So now this video will bring you a lot of good news for you. And here is good news for all who have this monetization and who haven't this monetization yet. Both world, this will be a good news for you. And from these, all the YouTubers can enjoy those within some month, but still now it's in the beta mode. So what's that? So do you know guys about some affiliate marketing or others which we do via our a lot of websites, and still now we do it via our YouTube channel, that we just take a link or create our own affiliate link, then review any product, and we just take this link in our YouTube description, and from here we earn a lot. But here guys, do you think about that? If YouTube integrate any shop or e-commerce site by their own in your YouTube channel, so if they integrate this that time, what it will be? This will be a good news for you. So if you are a product reviewer, so that time it's a big good news for you, because now if you already make when you review for your product, so here you needed to go to in the Amazon, you needed to go in the Alibaba or others. So you can create your own store in your YouTube. It looks like your e-commerce site, that you review your product via your YouTube channel and you create your video by reviewing that product, and in the description below you will take your that shop link, or here you will get this link, and here this all looks like your e-commerce store, and by which you will get this, and from here you can earn a lot of money, because nowadays every people come to the YouTube for any type of searches. And here now if you have that already that product, and if you already reviewed this, and among this I think that here in the for the first day you will get at least 10,000 views. So in this case at least one or two people want to buy this. So from here what they do, they just go to another site, or from here they just use your affiliate link, and from here they buy their products. But now they will buy their product by you, and here this from your site. So it will be really interesting and good news for you to get more money, to earn more money. And here guys, another good news for non-e-commerce people who don't use any type of e-commerce, or who are not using their e-commerce or make any reviews in the YouTube, just make their videos. Also they can make a lot of affiliate marketing by this YouTube e-commerce site. And here from this will be really interesting. So here suppose that your friend have a YouTube channel and he makes a lot of product review, and he take that link, he sells some products, and from here you can take their affiliate link and you can also start your affiliate from here. So this will be really interesting and good things for all YouTubers who has this monetization, who already hasn't this monetization for both sides. Because here guys, though you haven't any monetization, but you get this e-commerce site, so from here you can sell it, and it will be really interesting and good news for you. And here guys, some information I got that here this YouTube e-commerce will be integrated by a Shopify CMS. So we know this Shopify CMS is really a premium CMS, and you can now enjoy this Shopify CMS by your YouTube, because it's already integrated this. But still now it's in the beta version of this YouTube e-commerce in the USA or the UK, and in the upcoming days or some countries will provide it, and then all over the world it will be provided one time. This will be a big thing for you, by which now you can earn more money for you. So here guys, I hope this will be an additional things for YouTube, so that a lot of non-monetization channels can also earn by just reviewing those or affiliate those things. So what's about this Amazon, Alibaba and the other affiliates? So in this case, still now YouTube do not give any information about this, whether they will remove those Amazon or Alibaba other affiliates. But still now we think that this all will be contained in the YouTube, this all will remain in the YouTube. So from here you can choose your way, whatever you want. So from here you can do it. So yeah guys, this is the thing that I want to share with you, that this will increase your earning. Will it be a really interesting and advantageous thing for you? If it's so, that time I request you, please give a like that video, share this video with your friends. So guys, no more today, we will meet in the next video. So till the end, take care, have a nice day.